Hi there everyone, this is Adavana About, and today we have two devices called Lenovo A516 and Nokia Lumia 530 in our video this time, and both of them are getting hammered for review this time, and it is Nokia Lumia 530 versus Lenovo A516, both of them priced similarly. So if you at all look at this device to buy, because these are two different operating systems, but the prices are similar, they are priced same in the market. So you get this device at the same price, you get this device. So if you are going to be confused in buying, then this is it. We can look at this review and then decide what device to buy and what device not to buy. So in this case, we'll first talk about the design of these devices. This one is thick when compared to this one. So this one is thin, it is 4 inches, it is 4.5 inches. This is Android and this is Windows. The volume rockers are placed here and the volume rockers are placed here, but there is also a power button here. In case of this device, the power button is here but not here. So here you have 3.5mm jack, and 3.5mm jack is present here, and the charging ports are all down below. It's completely plastic, but this one has a metal banding that gives a cool look, but this is a bit heavy, solid. This one thin but solid too. So now we'll all have a look in the specs of the two devices, and the specs are that it is a dual core device. 1.3 GHz is the processor. It is a quad core device. 1.2 GHz is the processor. It has a 512 MB of RAM. In cases of RAM, they have similarity. In case of camera, it has a 5 megapixel camera in the rear, and it has a 5 megapixel camera in the rear. It supports HD video. It does not support the capture of HD video. This is a fault in this one. Not a fault, but they have not provided HD. They have provided quad core but not HD in this way. They have adjusted certain things to fit in that budget. They have provided dual core, but they have provided the ability to take HD videos, and the video quality of this one is okay and better than the video quality of this one, but photos of both the devices and the video samples of both the devices will be compared in another video, and in this case we'll just skip it to the devices. And now we'll go further and look at the speaker volumes on this one. The speaker quality of this device is better than the speaker quality of this device. That is, the speaker quality of Nokia Lumia 530 is better than the speaker quality of Nokia Lumia 516. So in music, this wins, and in this terms of display, we'll have to see and open and see which one wins in terms of display. The brightness, in this case, the Lenovo A516 has a little bit more, and in this case we have opened this device and we have opened this device. It is a bit darker, if you could see, and this one is full blown in brightness. It is giving you a flickering effect, because that's not good at all when you are trying to capture the video of this device. And I have talked about this in my unboxing of this device, that this device is flickering when you try to capture the video. So this device does not flicker, and it is good. Now we'll do a short speed test, and we'll try to open something called Facebook. It's one of the famous applications, and you may be knowing that. In fact, you may be using that. So we'll press the Facebook icon once, and we'll say what responds first. So this one opens fast, and this one takes time to open, and it's still trying to open. Now it opens. So this one fails the speed test, and this one succeeds. It's like this one, like Flash. In Flash it got opened up. Now we'll see another try to open another application, and we'll see if I have similar applications or not. So now first we'll try to swap the screens, and so from here we go there. So there is not much difference in case of swiping. And now let us try and open the cameras of these two devices, Nokia camera and this is Lenovo camera. So camera in this device loads first and the camera in this device loads a little late. Maybe the difference was not that high, it was just a few seconds. So this is how it looks from the camera. Outside of the camera, the screen is still flickering on this device. Not good, Nokia. And in this case, the screen is not flickering, and it helps if you are an app reviewer or on the YouTube. It helps just little, not a lot. It just helps a little. Now in this case, you see that the cameras opened up first, and the camera on this one opened up a bit later. And now we'll talk about something else on this device. I have not used this one for the purpose of gaming, but I have used this one. I have in fact done a separate review for that on this device. And in this case, this device is awesome. This is old, and this is one not that old. It is about 6 to 7 months old, and this one is almost 3 months old. So when you compare both the devices, this one's Android, this one's Windows, and giving a suggestion on this in this case is difficult, because if someone is going to buy a Nokia Lumia 530, then he is buying it because of the, what you say, being for Windows, they try and buy it. So if you are into Android thing, then you look at some other devices, but not this one, because this one has only dual core right now. And this is still on sale and will be on sale for another 6 to 7 months, maybe at some reduced prices. Maybe the prices may fall down after 1 or 2 months, because a lot of quad-core smartphones have come up at the similar price. And if you could see, this one is also present there. There is when you take it has a front camera and does not have a front camera. I had forgotten to tell that. It is lightweight, it is thick, and has more weight than this device. So there are a lot of other stuff that can be compared, but it is better to look at them on a spec sheet rather than having told. So my suggestion is to go with this device when these two devices are what you are trying to buy. So this is my suggestion. Even though it is a Windows phone, I would like you to pick it up, but this one has a problem with catching up with the network signal, and this one does not have any problem with the catching up of network signal. So if the main purpose of phone is looked at, then this one is the one that you should buy. But this was the speed test that we have speed test and a review that we did by comparing the Nokia Lumia 530 and the Lenovo A516, both priced similarly in the market. So this is the end of the video. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks.